How to deposit checks with Comerica Mobile Banking. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to deposit checks with Comerica Mobile Banking. So first thing, you need to actually head over to the Comerica Mobile Banking application from the your available App Store or Play Store, or you can also go for the online version. That is their website, and just log into your respective account. And once you successfully log into your account, at the bottom of the app, just click on the deposit icon and then select new deposit. So once you do all of that, you just have to select an account to deposit your check and the amount. And once you do all of that, make sure you verify your status or your all the login credentials as well as the amount you typed in are correct. And once you verified of everything, you will have successfully deposited check with Commercia mobile banking application. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.